Hello. Ladies and legends, in this video we are going to try something new.
No shit, Sherlock!
An After Effects god, which is me of course, tries to edit on mobile for literally the first time in his life.
Banana.
And we are using funimate for this. See, I was going to use my own voice for this, but I'm kinda sick. Okay, let's see what I can do. So this is my account, and as you can see they made me a pro. So to start a project we have 3 options: shoot a video, edit video, and beat magic, which says hot. So I'll go for it. It says here, beat magic allows you to create a video with transitions that match the beat of the music you select.
Well, what the hell?
You heard that, brother?
Yes.
So you are going to do the same, brother?
No.
Let's start with selecting the music, and it appears that they have their own pack of music. Yeah, I think I'll use my own music. And I just found the perfect one.
So don't let them steal your life.
Perfect.
Second step was adding marks to the beat, which was pretty simple. Now I add some pictures of my beloved wife, and boom.
So don't let them steal your life.
Here I can choose transitions and apply them by one click.
So don't let them steal your life.
But I am not going to use that. I will try to make an edit manually. So I want to start my edit with a zoom out. And it's pretty simple to make. I mean, as long as you know the After Effects basics. They are pretty much the same. You just add a keyframe and set the value you want. Then add another keyframe with a different value. Now I will let you guys watch me making this edit.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Say all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. And my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way, closer to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes it don't last that long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.
This edit took me only 10 minutes and here's the final result.
So don't let them steal your light.
Well, it's literally my first funimate edit, so don't judge it.
Child, when you're
I hope you guys loved the video, the same way I loved this app. I will certainly make another video about it in the near future. Bye.